Hi everyone, let's face it, when it comes to prospecting or cold calling, we all hate hearing the word no, but hearing it 5, 10, 50 times in a row, you can kiss your confidence goodbye. However, buried inside of every no is a learning opportunity. So by analysing, what went wrong, you can prevent yourself from making the same mistakes down the line or spending time with prospects that are unlikely to buy. So what you need to do is ask yourself, why did your prospect say no? Now, obviously the reasons will hinge upon your own specific situation, but odds are most will fall into one of the following 5 categories. However, if you have a category you think I've missed, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. So the first one I have for you is you're not reaching out to the right people. Now, this might seem like a bit of a no-brainer, but before picking up the phone, you need to know who you're reaching out to and why. The second one is you might come across as, your product or service just isn't a right fit. So try to see your product or service from your prospect's point of view. You may have the best, fastest, cheapest on the market, but it doesn't always matter. Make sure you do your research with your prospects before you contact them, and then you can find out what their individual pain points are. The next one on my list is they weren't ready to make a decision right now. Now, we all know most prospects don't like making decisions on the spot, so try not to come across too pushy. Sometimes you're going to be better served by creating trust and then having a meaningful engagement until your prospect is ready to buy. And the final couple of ones I have for you is, they prefer the competition or they're just not interested. But whatever the reasons are, we need to learn from rejection so we can optimize our prospecting, qualification and connecting strategies. So I have a little tip for you, and this will help you stay sort of positive during this process, and it's called do the maths to get no. So basically figure out how many no's you need to hear before you get a yes. And if you set up no's as your goal, they will become milestone on your way to success. So on average, if it currently takes you like 15 no's to get a yes and you're on number 12, then a yes is just around the corner. So there you are, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed the video. And as I always say, if you like the content I'm putting out there, please go ahead, click the follow, give me a like. And as always, good selling.